In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an Airtable base into a reusable template. If you've built a base that works well and you want other people to use the same setup, creating a template is a great way to save time and keep things consistent. The goal here is simple. You'll keep the structure that makes the base useful while removing anything that should not be included before sharing it with others. Start by opening the Airtable base that you want to turn into a reusable template. This should be the version that already has the layout and organization you want people to copy. Before you share anything, take a moment to review the base carefully so you know exactly what will be included in the final template. Next, clean the base. Remove any test records, placeholder entries you no longer need, and any private or internal information that should not be shared. This is an important step because a template should be safe, polished, and ready for someone else to use right away. If there's anything that might confuse users or reveal information that doesn't belong in a shared version, delete it now. Once the base is clean, prepare the structure. Keep the tables, fields, views, and automations that are necessary for the workflow. The idea is to preserve the framework that makes the base valuable, without cluttering it with anything extra. As you review each part, think about whether it helps the next person understand and use the template easily. After that, open the base sharing options. This is where you control how other people can access the base. Look for the option that allows others to copy the base or use it as a template, rather than simply viewing or editing your original version. Choosing the correct sharing method is what turns your base into something reusable. Then, create or copy the template link. This is the link you'll share with others so they can use your base as their own starting point. Before sending it out, test the template yourself. Open the link or duplicate the base through the same process your users would follow, and make sure everything works the way you expect. Check that the structure appears correctly and that the base is clean and ready to use. Finally, share the template link with your team or intended users. At that point, your Airtable base is no longer just a working setup for you. It becomes a repeatable system others can adopt quickly and confidently.